Delta Executor iOS to iPhone download, how to get Roblox Executor iOS, no key updated. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you this quick and simple tutorial. Now the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and head over to your system settings right here. And once inside, you can just navigate through the general settings. Once again, scroll down, click on background app refresh, and from here you want to make sure that the background app refresh is on the Wi-Fi and cellular data. From there you can just go ahead and navigate through Safari, and inside you want to search for itweakinstall.com. From here you can then go ahead and see all sorts of applications you can install for your iOS devices. Now, if you scroll down, you will go ahead and see the Delta Executor for iOS, iPhone, Android, no jailbreak, no root required. So you can just go ahead and click on it, click on Start Now, and you will go ahead and get the Roblox Executor iOS, no key updated. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.